Hello students, today I will explain you the first chapter, food, where does it come from? So students, as according to the chapter name, it is clear that in this chapter we are going to study from where and from how many things we get the food. Now the first topic of the chapter is need for food. So students, we need food for different purposes like it gives us energy to perform various tasks. In our life, it helps to grow our body healthier and it helps to prevent different kind of diseases. Having healthy food daily can keep our body fit. Now the next topic is food we eat. So students, we eat different kind of food in a day. It can either be raw or cooked. We need different things to prepare a dish and that things are known as ingredients. For example, ingredients required to cook dal are pulses, oil, spices, salt and water. Students, almost all the ingredients are obtained from plants or animals that are used to prepare food. We eat different parts of plants like root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and seed. Carrot, beetroot, radish, and turnip are the examples of root that we eat. Ginger, sugarcane, onion, and potato are the stems. Spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and mint are the leaves that we eat. Cauliflower and broccoli are the flowers that we eat. Grape, orange, banana, watermelon are the fruits that we eat. And wheat, corn, peas, and rice are the examples of the seeds that we eat. Food from animals. Food obtained from animals includes meat, fish, eggs, milk, and honey. Student, we get meat from goat, sheep, fish, and chicken, and eggs from goose, duck, and hen, honey from honeybee, and milk from cows, buffaloes, camels, and goat. Milk is used to make different products and these products which are made by the milk are called dairy product. For example, butter, curd, ghee, etc. Now students, the next topic is what do animals eat? Depending upon the kind of food animals eat, they are categorized in herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. In the diagram, teeth are shown that suited to the type of food animals eat. Now the first type is herbivores. Animals that eat plant only are known as herbivorous animals. For example, cows, goat, elephant, buffalo, etc. Now students, cows and buffaloes have wide and blunt premolars and molars so that they can easily grind the grass. Similarly, rabbits and squirrels have long and sharp incisors to grab and cut their food easily. The second type is carnivores. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous animals. Some examples of carnivorous animals are lions, owls, eagles, snakes, etc. Now the different characteristics of carnivorous animals are like lion and tiger have long, sharp and pointed canine as you can see in the diagram. These teeth help to tear flesh easily. Similarly, in carnivorous birds like eagle and vultures have pointed and curved beaks that help them to tear flesh. Whereas carnivores such as snake do not tear their food, they can swallow their whole food at once. Few of the carnivores like frogs and chameleons have a long and sticky tongue to which their food got stick. In this way, their sticky tongue helps them to catch their prey. Now the third type is omnivorous. Animals that can eat flesh as well as plants both are known as omnivorous animals. Some examples of omnivores are bears, crows, human beings, and dogs, etc. There are different characteristics of omnivores. Like omnivorous birds such as crow have sharp and pointed beak so that they can eat a variety of food. Human beings have special teeth so that they can eat flesh and plants both. Teeth of human beings are classified as incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors used for cutting the food, and canine helps for tearing the food. Molars and premolars helps to crush the food. Now this is it in this chapter. Here it is given summing up of the whole chapter. So we will quickly go through this for better understanding of chapter. So food having sources that are plants and animals. Parts of plants that is used as food are root like carrots and radish, stems like potatoes and ginger, leaf like spinach and cabbage, flowers like cauliflower, fruits like apples and oranges, and seeds like cereals and pulses. And from animals, we get meat and fish from chicken, goat, and fish, milk from cows and goats, honey from honeybees, and eggs from hens and ducks. On the basis of the food animals eat are classified as: first is herbivores that eat plants only, and second is carnivores that eat only the flesh of other animals, and the third one is omnivores that can eat plants and flesh of other animals both. Now this is the end of the chapter. Students, I hope you get the chapter. Thank you very much.